Here is BK42, and in this video I want to show you the process of installing mudguards on this type of e-bikes. It's not supposed to be a tutorial, I just want to share with you my experience here. I want to show that it's possible to repair and maintain these bikes at home, even in such a small room like this one. So let's start it. I will remove the battery to make the bike lighter and also to avoid electrical problems. Then cut the two zip ties and be careful with the cable. With an 18mm wrench, let's remove the nuts. I will remove the display and all the accessories from the handlebars before turning the bike upside down. To make my life easier, I'm going to bring the seat post up. Now it's time to flip the bike. It's not that simple, but it might be easier than it looks like. Of course, I forgot to remove the brake. Removing and assembling the wheel without the brake is much easier. And now the big fail. The wheel does not come out, it's stuck in the frame. Let's flip the bike again. This time, I will use the help of this cheap maintenance support. Now it's much easier to remove the wheel. Move the chain out of the way, be careful with the motor cable, and there you go, the wheel is finally out. I will take the opportunity to clean those parts. It's usually impossible to get to such a place. Done. To fix the mudguard, just tighten the two screws starting at the bottom. Remember to tighten it up. With the wheel in place, adjustments here are almost impossible. Second fail. It is very difficult to mount the wheel in this position. Let's turn the bike over again. Move the chain into its place and just put the axle to rest in its socket. Let's flip the bike one last time and put some pressure on the wheel. It has to go back to where it was. Mount the brake, tighten the nuts, connect the engine power cable and ensure the wheel is aligned. Now I can reinstall the display and the handlebar accessories. Installing the front mudguard is very easy. Let's remove the headlight and use the same screw to hold the mudguard in place. Tighten the screw securely. Done. It's time to put 2 new zip ties return the battery and test the system. Without any special tools or mechanical skills, it is possible to maintain these bikes at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. Cheers!